Hello my alien students, how are you all? Hope all are good. Actually this class came like a kinder surprise, okay? One of my students have to submit one homework tomorrow. So he asked me, John, please can you please help me? This is like, emergency number. I said fine, send it to me. So he sent me this drawing and he asked me, John, if you don't mind, can you please teach me how to do make a video on how to we do modeling for this. Okay, this is an architectural file and we need to place just a second. Okay, we need to place the mechanical the fixtures, plumbing fixtures, and actually this class came off the hook. Okay, I didn't expect it to come in any way, but it came. It's emergency. John, I have submission tomorrow, and that's the beauty. Anyway, so I teach you how to do it. Okay, see, first go to the system tab, go and click plumbing fixtures. Okay, we are not clicking sync now. We have to click sync later, but not now. Okay, we will okay, keep it. Okay, we will place the what is this guy's called closets first. Okay, yeah, go to US metric plumbing. We said the water closets. You want flush tank, wall mounted, floor mounted, wall mounted, anything. Okay, floor mounted. You must be careful because this does not look so good. Why? Just make a section view. I don't know why this section is okay. Go to view. Looks perfect. We have the connection. Excellent. What I'll do is, listen, couple of alien tricks. Hold one, press Control and drag. Okay. Again, what is this? What does this do? This becomes like copy. Okay. Now you say, John, why you have not done it in align? Because you're gonna type AL align. Okay. Okay, all good. And then we need to do the urinal. Too big? It should be the gents toilet. Okay, 1 second. That's the story. To be careful, always double check. This is the story. Better delete it, redraw it. Thing is, he can't get the wall. That's why it's doing the story. Do you want to change the design? Let's load some beautiful urinals. Wall hung. Same thing. Like height we can do later. Okay. This guy is like this. Okay, design is like what to do. Okay, anyway, What we'll do is now delete this section. Okay, I hope it's clear so far. Just a second. Okay. Yeah, we're back. Yeah. Okay, now what we'll do, we will do something called as the drain pipe. Okay, first do the drain pipe, do the largest one. So generally it will be 4" or say 110 millimeter. Okay, so what is the thing? We don't have a size 100 millimeter. Okay, now I show you one trick. Okay, it's not a kind of trick. Okay, this is called cheating. Okay, we have 100 millimeter. Suppose we want to have the size 110. Okay, we can do it. Okay, do not take tension. Okay, so first let's go to DWV, and we have 110. No, it's not there. Okay, so what you're going to do, how do we change the size? There's going to be a question. How do we change the size of a pipe? Go and click in the system tab. Can you see this arrow? Click this. Go and see pipe size. Yeah, this one. Okay, go and see. Click new. If you have the chart, change the size. Okay, I'm just doing it now. 1100 millimeter. 1 minute. Okay, create new. Okay, I do not know. I do not have the catalog or the size of 1110. Okay, so just making it as a round figure, just copying it from, you'll have to change the number. Okay, inner and outer diameter will have to change. I'm just showing you how to do it. Okay, just say cancel because I'm not in the correct size. I need to be in, I want to draw PVC schedule 40 pipe, isn't it? DWV. We don't have 110 here, isn't it? So click this, change it to 110 millimeter. Okay, you get the inside and outside diameter based on standard. You can, inside diameter will be changed because outside will remain same, nominal. Okay, so we have this in size PVC schedule 40. Say okay. Okay, this is clear. Then come here, change the size to PVC schedule 40. Good, you should be having your friend here. 110 is available. Okay, so generally, you know, slope pipes don't come above the floor, it goes below the floor. So let's put it, how much do you want? 70 centimeter. Okay, done. We go slope down. Okay, so we start from here, go like this. Okay, now I said, John, I can't see it. I said, very good. Okay, I did one mistake here actually. Okay, I will show you what was the mistake. Go to filter, you will see it now. What happened? Stuck. Okay, it's stuck. Don't worry, it's based because of this is the templates problem. BG, I did a mistake, was this. Okay, second thing, view range. Put any number below that. Okay, you can see the pipe. What mistake I did was, instead of, it's not hydrant, it should have been sanitary. Okay, I should be seeing a green pipe. Looks good. Okay, what I will do is, okay, this looks good. Good. Okay, now how do we make connections for this? Okay, listen, go to here, edit type, duplicate, don't change anything. Okay, we need a T, yeah, we don't need a, we need a Y, not there. Okay, go to the family, this way will do good. Okay, yeah, see if it has come. I have changed. No, most of the families I have changed. Okay, let's say I think on this one. Okay. Is it like this? No, it's the way he has done is correct, isn't it? Yeah. Then what you'll do? I hope this is good, clear. If you can't see it, this makes things like clearer, isn't it? Okay, create similar, inherit elevation going up. Oh, I did another mistake. You remember the slope? I forgot the slope. Okay, do it again. Okay, draw a pipe, slope up 1%, 2%, 2%, make the life. Okay, we said how much? Minus 70 centimeter. Like if you want to make it, okay, make it 120 centimeter. Okay, we said a slope down. This would be a slope down 2%. Okay, then if you want to keep going down, make it, let's say, minus. Okay, this guy went down. Okay, good. Create similar. Now you're going up. What happened? Inherit elevation, slope up. Yeah. Okay, slope up 2%. Okay, you never make a mistake if you do this method procedure. Okay, then what you do is extend this pipe. Sorry. Okay, doesn't matter. Okay, then what you'll do, okay, I think we went 2 down. Don't worry. I'm just nudging it up. Okay, call your friend TR. Okay, this is the way you do it. If you don't want to see this stuff, 1 minute. Yeah. Okay, I hope this is clear. Okay, we've done the connection like that. Okay, if you want to see section box, just to see section box, where is it? Okay. Okay, if you don't want to see the BG, okay. Anyway, I hope this much is clear. Okay, so I think remaining you can do it. The remaining ones you can do. If you do not know how to do it, I do it for you. Don't worry. Go to view, select the, yeah, okay. Anyway, I hope today's class you enjoyed. I think this is clear now, isn't it? Okay, if this is not clear, you want to change the background. Sorry, I thought it was up. Okay, yeah, okay. I hope this is clear now. X-ray vision. Okay. Sometimes white becomes headache if it's not. This makes it clear. Type anyway. I hope today's class you enjoyed. Okay, this is Kinder surprise class. Somebody asked me. Okay, let's do the other one also better. Draw pipe. Okay, I think this looks clearer. Okay, this looks good. Yeah, perfect connection. Okay, anyway, I hope everybody enjoyed today's class. You want me to teach you how to do this? Okay, if you want, just message me. I will help you how to do it. Okay, anyway, take care, and I hope I answered your question how to do this project. Okay, take care, and I think that's it. Bye.